Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning to our lecturer of Computer Aided Design CAD Sir Ahmad Afiq Tarmizi, and also to all my fellow friends. Today our group will presenting our mini project presentation, which is hand blender. Before that, let me introduce my teammate first, which is Geraldine Isaac George 07 DKM 21F 1053, Ginny Jeremiah Noah 07 DKM 21F 1065, Afiq Hamimi bin Bidin 70 DKM 21F 1063, and lastly Muhammad Khairul Nizam bin Saharuddin 07 DKM 21F 1057. So, without wasting our time, let's go to the table of content for our presentation today. So, in our table of content is introduction, objective, part drawing, exploded view, assembly view, detail view, and lastly conclusion. So, we move to the introduction. CAD is a computer-aided design application for 3D mechanical design, simulation, visualization, and documentation developed by Autodesk. CAD also allows 2D and 3D data integration in a single environment, creating a virtual representation of the final product that enable users to validate the form, fit, and function of the product before it is ever built. In the context of mini project presentation, we had learned the fundamental skills of CAD and had designed a hand blender. We also created the parts, assembly view, exploded view, and others detailed drawing. Okay, so we move to the objective for our presentation today, which is to design a blender by using Autodesk Inventor to create parts of blender with true dimensions, creating an assembly drawing of the parts of blender, and lastly make an exploded view from the assembly drawing. So next we go to the part of drawing.
Hello, my name is Geraldine Isaac George, and my number matrix is 07 DKM 21F1 053. So today I want to present about the project parts. The parts that I will present later is plastic holder, hand crank, screw, cylinder tube, and cylinder tube cover. So the first part is plastic holder. This plastic holder is to connect with the hand crank. So the second part is hand crank. This part is used to turn around the shaft. Then the third part is screw. This screw is used to tighten the connected parts. Next is cylinder tube. This is the parts that the goods want to be blended. After that, the cylinder tube cover. It is used to close and cover the top parts blender. So that's all from me. Thank you. Now I pass to my friend Muhammad Khairul.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Khairul Nizam from DKM 3A, and my matrix number is 0721F 1057. Okay, today I want to explain my part for the Inventor project. First, my part is the tray holder. Tray holder to grip the bottom surface for the blender so that it stick to the surface of the table. Next part is the adapter plate. Adapter plate used to hold all the upper component part, like a gear to replace the gear. Shaft to turn around the blade. The shaft is very important because the shaft hold the blade for the blender. Next part is the mixer gear. The mixer gear to support the shaft for the turning around and rotate the shaft with the blade. Last is a tooth gear. Tooth gear to transfer the rotate force from the spool gear to the mix gear.
Okay, I'm Dini Jeremiah Noah Johan. My matrix number is 0DKM21F1065. So I'll be presenting for the sixth part, which is bracket, wood holder, screw holder, blade, spagear, and knob. I will also be presenting for the assembly video of our group product and the detailed drawing for the products. To begin with, the first product that I am presenting is the bracket, which is used to hold the wood holder. The next part is wood holder and its function as the holder during the food was blend. Next is screw holder that is used to screw up the blender holder with the bracket, and followed by the next part, which is blade that used to blend the foods. Then there is also spagear that functions to transfer potential energy from the hand crank to the tooth gear. And the last part is knob, which is used as the top cover to prevent the blended food to splash out from the blender. And now we will be seeing the assembly video of our product. And as you can see in this video, there are 16 parts that had been included in our product, and we combine all the parts together to make our product. And the last one I will be presenting is the detailed drawing of our group product. And in this drawing, you can see all the 16 parts that had been extruded. All of the 16 parts include the plastic holder, hand crank, cylinder screw, cylinder tube cover, adapter plate, shaft, mixer gear, tooth gear, bracket, wood holder, screw holder, blade, spur gear, knob, tray holder, and cylinder tube. So that's all from me.
Okay, thank you, my friend. So we go to the conclusion. In conclusion of computer-aided design, the goals of this project were to designing a product and introduce to a 3D solid modeling design, work on technical writing skills, and properly design and create a parts assembly drawing, exploded view of the product. I believe that our team have accomplished all of these goals very well. We also found the bonus part to be a good test of knowledge because we can do the instruction given on how to create it. Where it not be given, one has to rely their skills developed through all parts of the blender. So that's all for our mini project presentation today. Thank you.